So we're gonna do we aerate, and then we do the overseeds and fertilizer. So that's what we're doing. You can see it goes pretty fast. I think he loves this machine. It does a really good job. It's heavy, and you can see the technique that he's using when he has to make a turn. We wish it was more of a zero turn, but it's not. So that's what we bought, and we're gonna keep using it. It's pretty good. He's happy with it. We used it a lot last year during the fall to do aeration, and now it's springtime. We are aerating again, so it's easy to start. It's great. You can see he's almost done, and it's only been how long? 5 minutes, but it does take muscles, okay? So it requires muscles. You have to be strong because it is a heavy machine, and you have to be able to make it turn, which is not the easiest thing, but hey, he's nearly done, okay? And how long? Maybe it's gonna take 10 minutes to do this whole lot, front lot, and then he's gonna do the back as well, the backyard. Okay? Thank you for watching, and I'll come back with another video of how he overseeds and everything.